In this video, join us for a quick walk through Washington DC's Union Station. It is grand and beautiful. Let's begin. Yeah, this is amazing. We just thought that we'll pick up our luggage and get onto the next train, but turns out we do have some time, and oh my god, this station, we were not expecting that. We are blown away by how grand and beautiful it is.
Now, as soon as you come to the main hall, of course, these high 91 or 96 feet high ceilings, they grab your attention. Like the whole family went oohs and ahs when we entered this grand hall.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me a little bit of the classic Union Station or even the Grand Central Station in New York City, but with that green ceiling. Of course, this one is gold. Just a beautiful hallway. Wish there were more seating here so you can sit and admire.
This grand hall that we are standing at, it's called the main hall, and it features a 96-foot high coffered ceiling with gold leaf detailing, reflecting the grandeur of early 20th century design. Opened in 1907, and it was designed by architect Daniel Burnham, and it quickly became one of the most important transportation hubs in the country. Fun fact, several US presidents have used this Union Station, including Franklin D. Roosevelt, who had a private entrance built to accommodate his wheelchair. Now, beyond transportation, Union Station has a variety of shops, restaurants, and even a movie theater. So why don't we just start walking around and take a quick tour?
They're surrounded by sculptures. And on one side, there is a Shake Shack here, right in the main hall. There are few people screaming in here, and you can clearly hear the echo.
Just look at how fancy the room for elevator is. So
elevator room. And on the other side, we saw a lounge, but it was closed. East Hall on that side. This one is your First Street Metro and Bikes exit. The floor also reminds me of walking in, and I'm going to be cheesy for a second, the Venetian in Las Vegas, that hotel, like with that marble floor. Of course, this is gorgeous.
Look at all the seating for Shake Shack upstairs.
Massive Shake Shack here. And on the other side, you have Potbelly, you have Chopped, your salad, Kava.
And Chipotle.
If we weren't full from our giant Amtrak meal, we would have totally come here and gotten a Chipotle or Kava. So now this is the exit to the First Street. We're going to turn around, but you guys can see many options of food here. Very nicely laid out. Plenty of seating also. Unlike the Chicago Union Station, the food court was very cramped, where this one, right in the main hall, you have plenty of options.
Shops.
Heading to trains, so there's arrival screen on one side, a departure on the other side. We see our Acela train 2122 to New York at 5:25. But let's check out some more shops here. This is your second hall. Check out the downstairs. Proper food court. I see Jersey Mike's. There's so much to eat and do here. Now, right above you have plenty of counters for Amtrak check-in. There are these spiral staircases that are going up, so you can walk on the floor above you. Now, the ceiling is spectacular. So much to do. You can spend like 3, 4, 5 hours in here.
You can make a trip just to the train station.
Yes. You can also see a sign for Walgreens back here. If you guys want a full tour, there's plenty of videos that will cover in depth what this train station looks like. We're just sharing our experience real quick. Alia's checking out some shops.
Remember where we saw this chocolate shop?
No, I don't remember.
Abu Dhabi Airport.
This one?
Yeah.
Laddie Rack?
Thank you.
I'll try a small piece.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that is delicious. Are we gonna continue this tour? That chocolate was delicious, by the way. Covaro Van Leeuwen ice cream. I totally butchered that name, Warby Parker, Abro, Bank of America.
What did you call it?
Don't ask me.
It's Van Leeuwen?
Levo or something like that, yeah. Check out the bridges that goes up top. Such a nice touch. Neighborhood, Washington, D.C. urban goods. Now you can see we're on the other side. Trains, buses, streetcar on one side, Uniqlo on this, and then your First Street exit is here. So we are on one end of your shopping area. I like it. Chocolates, clothing, and some general mall stuff here. Now, when you come to a train station, you don't know what to expect. We have been to the New Orleans one. We just came from Miami. We are from New York City. To see something as grand as the Washington Amtrak station, wow, that just changes the mood. We have been in the train in Amtrak for 29 hours, and we wanted to just come here and sit down and wait for the next train, but that didn't happen because we saw this.
Now we want more time here.
Now we want more time here. Just look at this.
I don't know if it's just us. We just always wish we had more time. Now in this train station, I am so wishing I had 2 hours. I would go into the shops. I would just, that's an art gallery.
Oh yeah, art gallery on that side. Andrew's Ties, a whole store dedicated to tie.
Made in Italy, Milano, wow.
Now, I don't know why it surprised us this much. This is, after all, Washington, D.C. You are blocks away from the capital. From, this
we should have expected that.
We should expect this, but for us, it was definitely a nice surprise to see how beautiful this station is and the amount of variety of things that you can do here, shopping-wise, and further downstairs, food-wise. Alia's checking out. Oh, that's beautiful. African
so
and pretty.
Beautiful. Oh my God, I want
It's
all
a
of that.
massive store. Right, passing by Nora Boutique. There's a Union General store right ahead. Yeah, what an incredible station. Okay, downstairs there's Mustard Seed Massage. That's why it smells so nice on this side of the station, because there's a spa. Here is a glass waiting area. We have a seller tickets. When we were finding out if we have lounge access, they pointed us that we can come hang out in this glass waiting area. A couple of screens in here that will tell you where or when your train is going to be and where it's going to be. Bullfrog bagels on one side. Getting some bagel for Khiz. So what we're going to do now is try to see if we can head downstairs. Show you guys a little bit of the downstairs. But right off the bat, I see Chick-fil-A and Walgreens. So a proper full-on grocery store. If you want to buy water, sodas, you can purchase them here. Plenty of seating area. There, something closed on one side, but there is Chipotle. All right, you can just check out how massive this food hall is. In the Union Station, there is a Jersey Mike's here. Crappa Lana Waffle, Walkaholic, Charlie's Cheesesteaks, more seating area. For anybody who loves New York style halal cart food, there is Halal Guys right at the bottom. Proper Wendy's. And on the other side, you have Taco Bell. Now there's a couple other stores over there, including Dunkin' Donuts, but we're gonna turn around here. I would say Mom is gonna find it very interesting that there is a Halal Guys right in the Union Station. Now, again, if we weren't super full, we would definitely be buying some food to bring with us on our journey back to New York, but now you guys know, serving the street since 1990. The Halal Guys. You guys can see the beautiful ceiling in the second hall. Khiz, what do you think of this station?
Very grand. The staircases are very nice. I love how it's just like very open.
Very open, very nice. Plenty to do here. And so we're standing by our departure gate area. There's many of these screens and waiting areas around the food court You can see one in the back there with the Amtrak staff ready to help you. Or 2122, it's on time, not assigned. When they start boarding, they have a nice little status that changes from on time to boarding and highlights yellow. Now we are heading towards the 2 train area. That's where we got off and collected our luggage when we got off here from the Floridian number 40. That's your Acela line that we're going to join momentarily. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you come back, check out our experience in Acela or the Floridian, and we're going to catch you guys in the
Next one.
Bye for now. Downstairs, we gave a full tour. There's halal guys downstairs.
Wow.
I knew you were going to have a reaction to Hudson News.
Sign.
Union Station sign. I think the kids disappeared. I don't know where the kids went. Oh, there they are.
Okay.
Somebody just started singing.
Yeah.
But there's
This reminds me of Chicago Union Station, but I think this is much more grand.
It is definitely grand, and with the gentleman's echo in here singing, yeah, that is great. There are airport videos where Khiz wanted a bagel and we went there so early he didn't get it, and some of you commented, please next time can we buy Khiz a bagel? So here you go, Bullfrog Bagel. Khiz is having his bagel in Acela. Make sure you come back and check that out.